Hello people, I'm back with the dogs. Another dog over there. Where did Princess go? Lady, where did your daughter go? Princess! Princess! Hi Princess. Hi lady. Fluff. You are covered in fluff. We need to give you another bath soon. And I'm wearing Ghost again. I'm wearing Ghost out here in 80-degree weather. So, yeah, that's fun. And, might be posting a video tonight or sometime showing the base of Ghost's tail. Because I finished the base. Princess. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Lady, you've gotten yourself tangled up. Come here. Come here, girlie. This way. This way. Come on. No, yeah, there you go. Good job. Right. Stop trying to eat my hands. You're always trying to eat my hands. Good love on Vega. Dog. And don't get mad at me. I don't leave them out here in the sun all the time. We put them somewhere in shade so that they don't get too hot, and we make sure they have cold water. So don't get mad at me for leaving them out here in the sun. That's why I need it. Alright. Hey, where do y'all girls hiding from me? Hey, stop it. No, I didn't kick her really hard. I didn't even kick her. I just tapped her. I would not hurt my dogs. So don't get that impression. I love them all dearly. Lady, stop digging. I just stopped you from digging earlier. Just a few seconds ago, actually. Stop with the digging. Anyways, I will be posting another video soon showing the base of Ghost's tail and stuff. She has a little scar right here on her nose. That is from one time in 2020, I'm pretty sure. We were playing out in the summer, and then eating grass. And then she decided to look away from where she was running and run head first into the back of a truck. She got a little scratch from that. No, it's not right there. It wasn't there. It was right up here on the top, near the top of her nose. Check what that is. Ah, you have a tick on your ear. I'll get that off after. Well, anyways, I hope y'all have a nice day or night or time, or have a nice time. And I'll post another video soon, hopefully, and not forget. G-spot. Alright, bye.